Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Danielle. Today I am working on our family bonus room. This is where all of our kids' toys live, and my teenage daughter and her friends like to hang out. So lots of laundry, bedding, dirty dishes, tons of toys, stuff like that. So I have my work cut out for me today. I'm starting with the couch. Anytime I walk into a space like this and it's just mass chaos, I like to start with the big furniture in the room. So if that was our room, I would start with the bed. Up here, I'm starting with the couch, just getting some of this pillows and blankets up off the floor. It instantly makes it visually less cluttered and makes my job a little easier. And yeah, I'm just kind of finding a home for all this bedding. I don't have the energy to do a full-on couch clean. I had already done one a couple weeks ago on our big sofa downstairs, which is the exact same couch as this, and I just don't have the energy to do that again. So I'm just kind of going around and spot treating with some Folex and scrub brush. All right, on to the fun stuff. There's toys everywhere up here. When I walk into the space like this, I like to start at 12 o'clock and work my way clockwise or counterclockwise, whatever. Just start somewhere and keep moving. This way I can work on little sections at a time and I don't get too overwhelmed. So I'm just working my way section by section, sorting these toys. I have about 5 or 6 different baskets of subcategories that I'm dividing the toys. Little cars, small toys. Oh, that's my St. Bernard Lucy. She's such a sweetheart. Anyways, looks like dinosaurs, Lincoln Logs, Magnetiles. And then I also have garbage and baskets for donations, and then anything that doesn't belong in this space anymore, whether that's dishes, laundry, things like that. So I'm just slowly working my way towards the exit of this room, essentially. And my kids always want to be playing. Of course, now that mom's up here cleaning, now it's fun. But they hadn't been up here in a bit. And that's when I can usually tell that this needs to get done, because the kids are so overstimulated. They just start dumping every bin, every toy out of its container, and then they don't even want to play in the space anymore because it's too much for them. And I don't blame them. I wouldn't want to play in this space like this either. All right, my hair's up. It's getting serious. Continuing my way around the room here, you can see those bins are starting to fill up. I think this project took me a little over 3 hours. That's including mopping and vacuuming and wiping down our computer area as well, but it was a big project, bigger than I was expecting. There was quite a bit of trash up here too, which I had to remind my children that there's a garbage can and we don't need to be such piggy pies. Just a little overview of the progress I've made so far. Quite satisfying. All right, we're just moving along. So that bin there, I usually store it in my garage. That's where I keep their toys that they're not playing with. So we'll fill that up and then that'll get tucked away. I also keep all their Nerf bullets and guns in the garage and we pull those out for more of like a special occasion. I just do not like picking up all those little bullets. It sucks. You can see if you walk into a space like this and just start with no plan, it's just too easy to get distracted. As I'm moving through each section, I'm also asking myself if these are things that the kids are actually playing with, if they're in good condition. So whether that's donate, sell, garbage. And I'm pretty ruthless in this process. I know a lot of this stuff is going to get rotated out too. So at the end of this project, I had quite a bit of stuff that was leaving this space, which was really satisfying. And the kids have been playing upstairs a lot more. Moving on to filling up this wire organizer, you can tell from this shot, it's just, I mean, it's working for this. I'm just storing their bigger, bulkier toys, like their cars, big Legos, things like that. So this space is our family bonus room, theater room. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's pretty dark up here. We painted the walls like a deep charcoal gray and then did black trim. And that's just for when we do movie theaters up here. We have a projector. That way we get a nice crisp image. I mean, it's fine. Ideally, I'd like to maybe one day lighten up the wall color and create a different type of space up here. But for now, this season of life, this is what's working for us. Onto the computer desk area. All right, I'm just wiping everything down, disinfecting.